Okay, that's the view out there. A few cars here and there. Okay, there's
Sorry
that.
guys, I thought it was somebody talking down
Is it okay if I shoot this? I will. Yeah?
there. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
And let me just point out one other thing. This closet. Yeah, exactly. So it's the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
It's walk-in on this side.
Oh my gosh.
And then a standard.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then
Oh,
the other
that's-
one is a standard.
That's wild. Okay.
So again, keep in mind that the unit we just looked at, both those closets were walk-in.
Yeah.
This is sort of a hybrid.
Really beautiful shower. This is still being put together and this is not quite on the market yet.
You don't have that visual
This
building right there on. And I think you
big open kitchen, dining room, appliances. Still being put together. Then this other balcony, which is really great. With view of, see if I can get that, yeah, Burbank Hills, Studio City. Another bathroom with a bathtub. And then heater. Another bedroom.
It is, actually, it's a friend, client.
Who's become a client, or vice versa.
Yes.